Ever wondered how to navigate the festive season when you're managing multiple sclerosis? The holiday season, while full of joy and connection, can also bring unique challenges. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you balance the festivities with self-care. Firstly, prioritize rest and energy management. Fatigue can be a significant issue, so it's essential to plan your activities carefully and include breaks. Stick to a regular sleep schedule and take time-outs during social events if you need to. Secondly, communication is key. Make sure your loved ones understand your condition and your needs. Being open about your boundaries and potential difficulties can help create a more supportive environment. Thirdly, adapt your holiday activities to match your energy levels. This could mean opting for smaller gatherings or even virtual celebrations. It's all about modifying traditions to suit your current abilities and focusing on creating meaningful moments. Next, be mindful of your nutrition. Keep up a balanced diet, taking into account any restrictions or sensitivities related to your MS medications. And remember, it's okay to enjoy holiday treats, but moderation and hydration are key. Moving on, it's important to create a self-care plan. Include activities that bring you joy and relaxation and make these a priority. This can help to reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Another helpful step is to delegate tasks. Don't be afraid to ask for help with holiday preparations. Sharing responsibilities can ease the burden and allow you to enjoy the festivities without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, it's also essential to stay flexible. Be open to adjusting your plans based on your energy levels and health. Embrace the spirit of the season without feeling pressured to adhere to rigid expectations. Incorporate mind-body techniques into your routine. Practices like mindfulness, deep breathing, or gentle yoga can help manage stress and contribute to a positive mindset during the holiday season. Lastly, don't forget to celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small. Managing MS requires resilience, and acknowledging your efforts can contribute to a positive mindset. Reflect on the progress you've made and the strength you've shown. So, there you have it. A step-by-step guide to managing MS during the holidays. Remember, prioritizing rest, maintaining open communication, adapting activities, mindful nutrition, creating a self-care plan, delegating tasks, staying flexible, using mind-body techniques, and celebrating your accomplishments can all contribute to a more manageable holiday season. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more MS-related content. Until next time, take care.